come off. She'll say, we can go. She'll say, your turn.
Oh, I can't be in that picture?
Tickle the belly.
Tell that guy to stop pointing. JJ, get the check.
Are you hiding?
JJ, what do you think?
Don't hide underneath your daddy's legs, remember?
No tickle the belly? Oh.
Spanking daddy.
Oh, look, Darwin. Yeah, it's everything, yeah. Cool.
How can you not get turned on by your sausage?
I did. I just tell him all the time she's pretty.
Yeah.
The thing that sucks, though,
What's that?
the thing that sucks for me, her maiden name is Beckford.
Yeah. Which means you technically could be related.
Uh-huh.
Hey, see if you can honk the horn this time.
You know what? The best thing about her, though, she's pretty. Don't
Yeah.
get me wrong, but the fact that she's so nice.
Yeah, she seems like a very nice girl. And very intelligent, too.
Yes, yes.
Where's the horn?
You're just desperate for him to hug it, aren't you? All right, Darwin steer. You're gonna blame it on Darwin?
They have it turned off.
Of course.
They have it turned off. That's the horn they got turned off. That's not.
They turned it off because of little kids and big kids,
Jeff.
too.
Like
Yeah, big kids like Jeff. Little kids like Darwin, big kids like Jeff.
It's funny though, Rob and
Yeah.
Jeff, when they have to put it in the toilet, do not use the toilet.
I know. That's awesome.
And you know there's been people that have done it, too.
Yep.
Pretty sad.
I can stand up in this one, not in my head like that.
I know. Wow, that's so move. I'm sorry. Don't fall though. Here, do you need an armrest? No. No. Okay.
Wow, look at. You know what they did?
Oh, it's open.
Look at how open that is.
Yeah, it's open.
Is it Pottery Barn?
I don't know if it is. I'll have it. Because Jen will buy it.
Move.
I like the openness.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's an open bar in here? Cool.
Yeah,
You're buying
bar. You can party down here, you know what I mean? It's like, you don't feel... Listen, music on the boats.
What?
This is nice.
I love that it's open.
Yeah.
This is it.
This is the open concept of property building we're talking about.
We're gonna remove
This wall, even though it's been there.
There might be a
Whoa,
space.
whoa! Oof, look at this.
Hey Chris, they have USB chargers right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How many charges you get on?
Only 11.
You want to try again? Alright, let's sit down.
still
Darwin, let's look in the bedroom. Come on.
You're still because
You still what?
you still have to pay for the alcohol and the food.
Okay.
dinner. But they got a free place to stay at.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a nice deal.
Yeah.
And you can get airfare to Mexico for pretty good, too.
For what? $700 for 4 days, maybe?
No, it's just the name I was laughing at. The beer itself is good, but my mind was going down another route when I heard Bush beer.
Bush beer.
Bush.
Yeah. I tried it. I like it.
I can massage you while you drive.
Yep.
Those pumps 4.5 toes. Hey, it's got the frost on it.
Take a video of here.
Nice, nice, nice. Siri, take a video.
Other
Yeah.
boats.
How much does this one go for? 2 million?
2 million?
So if you were to take it from Toronto Harbor to Miami, what would that cost you to fuel across? 17 pounds?